Hi, good morning everyone. This is Ashish here and welcome to my channel. Today we are here for the Handlebar Riser installation. So these are the Himalayan Handlebar Risers which I bought online. Main problem with the Himalayan stock handle, for my height, I have to stretch my hand and it is pretty low if you see the angle. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew them. This is the one which will go in that. One thing which you have to take care is the angle or the balancing of this handlebar whenever you are changing it. There are two dots, if you are able to see it over here, this marking, can you see this marking, this dot, and here the marking, if you can see here somewhere here, this marking has to be in the middle. So now the screws are out, so this is how it will look like. This one which is longer will come this side, which will come on towards the tank side. The shorter one will go towards the headlight. This handlebar risers, they also come with their own screws. There are two sets of screws, if you can see over here, which will, one will go down, which I'll show you in some time, and another one is to hold the handle, so you don't have to buy it extra, they'll come with it. The reason I bought this handlebar risers and not, there are so many other handlebar risers, right? The reason I bought this is because there is one specific advantage of using this kind of handlebar risers, which I'll be explaining in some time. With this handlebar riser you'll get two type of screws, if you see, the longer one and shorter one. The longer one is to hold this, what it's gonna hold this, and the shorter one is to hold the handlebar. Make sure to tighten them properly. I'm gonna use this. Now as this piece is fixed, as you can see I have tightened it as much as I can do, which is fairly strong. I am thinking of using this piece itself, so I think which will also give a pretty good look, and it will cover a certain portion of your handlebar as well. So these are the two dots which I was talking about earlier. If you can see over here, there are two dots which is over there. They should be equally distributed among whenever you are fixing it over here. Do not worry about this grooves over here, sometimes they are misleading. I was thinking of changing the handlebar to some other aftermarkets, but I thought of using a handlebar riser first and then see how it changes the whole angle of the handlebar. I have tried to close the gap as much as I can whenever you are changing anything or working anything on a handlebar, to keep one cloth over here, because this screw just slipped and it fell and chipped the paint a little bit, I think so. So it's a good practice to cover the tank with a cloth, which I didn't do. Learn from my mistake. See, round 2, again it fell. Damn, one more scar. I don't have a cloth right now, it just fell twice. Tightest I can go. Oh shit, it's better to wear a gloves, I guess. See, I banged my hand so many times it has become all red. Here, here, here. No pain, no gain. I think, yeah, that's the max I can do. So if you can see that over here, there's still a little gap, but that should be fine. Otherwise the handlebar is tight. The normal handlebar risers will go up straight, but this is angled. Height has also at least come up by, I would say, a little more than an inch, maybe 1.5 inch. And the main advantage is that the handle comes near to you, so what happens is that whenever you are going for a long ride and things like that, the shoulder, it will not get stress. Let's give it a try, one test ride, and then we'll see. So if you can see it over here, earlier my handle was somewhere over here, so I had to ride like this. So the whole weight of my body was coming on the wrist as well as on this portion. Now I can hold it and it is closer to my body, and it gives me more confidence also. I'm sure it will also help me when I'm trying to saddle. Here I don't have to bend, it is coming pretty straight. This is very useful, I would say. The angle of this handlebar is little bit towards the rider right now, and that would make a lot of difference. This is available online actually. I'll just leave the website link in my description. So if you like it and find it helpful, this is my channel name, The Traveler's Tale. You can also follow me in Instagram, and I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye. Ashish signing off.